Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest, and in this video we have a small little puzzle, white to move and checkmate the black king in 3 moves. White pawns goes to here and the black pawns goes down here. So yeah, white to move, checkmate the black king in 3 moves. Pause the video if you want to try. Okay, welcome back. In this position, you cannot move this pawn, like straight up you cannot move this pawn because, well, the black queen is basically pin this pawn, so you cannot move it. And say you want to move this pawn, for example, and in this position, black actually have this amazing queen to c3 move. And if white isn't careful, let's say they move here, for example, rook to g8, and this queen to a1 is actually a checkmate. So yeah, you have to be careful about this threat basically. And say you want to play your king, for example, say king to a2. Okay, then, well, black can do this like closing, or black tries to get closer to our king by moving their king to b4. And imagine if this queen is in here, like check, and our king, white king, basically forced to go to the edge of the board, and that can be little, or can be like, like we can lose the game. So in this position, after black goes to king to b4, there is no, like, I don't know what can you do in this position. Like if you play this pawn to c5 move. And by the way, this is not the solution, because in this position black can just check you non-stop. Like, yeah, black can just basically do this, yeah. So, and this is over. This is more than 3 moves, so this is not the solution. Okay, we try to move this pawn, we try to move this king, and both of them is not the solution. Okay, what about the rooks then? Well, let's say, moving our rook to, I don't know, to h8, for example. Black actually has again this amazing move, like queen to c3. If this black's turn, and blacks can go queen to a1 to checkmate our king. So in this position we have to defend this square, right, by moving our rook to h1. We have to, because like instead of us mating the black king, the black will checkmate us. So first, so we need to go here. But then again, if you basically if you don't have a direct so-called like direct threat to the black king, you cannot solve this puzzle basically. Yeah, so in this position, like black can do this move, for example, and this is obviously more than 3 moves for us, so this is not the solution. Okay, what else? We only have, we already discussed this pawn, and obviously we cannot move this pawn. We look at the king, but no matter what square do we choose for our king, this is not the solution, because the black queen can just checkmate. Black queen can just check our king non-stop. So this is not the solution. So after all that, I think you you already found the answer, and the answer is actually a mind-blowing sacrifice. Rook to a1. Yeah, and this is the solution, believe it or not. Because if say like, okay, black saw this rook unguarded and just decided to take this rook on a8, well, we can go b4, and this is actually checkmate. Like, this pawn is guarded by this pawn, and this pawn is guarded by our king. So yeah, I mean, 2-move checkmate, but then this is a 3-move checkmate. So black actually have to move their, I don't know, like, I mean, they can choose to move this pawn, for example, right? But then if if black move this pawn to c6, we can just take, and this is actually a checkmate. If we move, let's say, I don't know, like here, for example, right? Still, yeah, still this is another checkmate. So yeah, so in order for black to basically delay the checkmate, black has to play this move like queen takes b3. So this is basically delaying black checkmate. But then in this position we can just take their queen, and in this position, no matter what black does, let's say pawn to c5, we can take this pawn, and this is a checkmate. Same goes with this pawn to a6, still another checkmate. If black decided to go pawn to f3, same thing. So yeah, another small little puzzle that involves sacrifice. So hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.